I originally went into chemical engineering because of my high school chemistry teacher. It goes all the way back to that. I enjoyed math and I enjoyed chemistry. He led me towards this crazy degree called chemical engineering.
My girlfriend's father and my uncle both were engineers. My girlfriend's father was a engineer for General Dynamics working on the F-16 project, and then my uncle is a civil structural engineer. And both had said engineering is a great field. It defines what you can do when you immediately get out of school if you want it to. It's a great career path, but it's also a great background for doing work elsewhere in the world and with any field, actually.
My dad actually inspired me. He's a mechanical engineer, so not necessarily process like I am, but I got into college and really loved the chemistry aspect and kind of not necessarily the moving parts of what a pump does, but more what's inside. So that's what led me to process, but ultimately my dad was engineering.
Science teacher is named Mr. Rouse. He was a fighter pilot in World War II, and he turned into a teacher. And in addition to telling great war stories, he inspired a real interest in chemistry and physics. I actually took 3 courses from him in high school: physical science, chemistry, and physics. And I had a great aptitude for it. It came naturally. So I knew I was going to do something in the sciences. I just didn't know what.
I decided to get into chemical engineering when I was back in 7th grade. My father was a chemist for a major oil company in Tulsa. And I enjoyed chemistry, I enjoyed math. So I was a couple years ahead of my class in both of those subjects. So that's how I got into chemical engineering. And then I worked as a chemical process engineer for about 10 years. And then I watched the folks in sales and saw that, business development could be a lot of fun also. Solving problems that are a lot different nature than just a process or technical problem. So I've worked on both sides of the fence, both the commercial and the technical side.